Due to many requests that I receive, that I should guide you on how to create a Handshake account, and this is a US profile. I'm really helping this lady out on how to create her first Handshake account. Stay tuned and watch it to the end. We are going to use a referral link for Project Hedgehog. So that means that we are not going to start it right from scratch. We already have an invite link which will really give us an easier walkthrough. So the first thing you have to do is to accept the invite. You'll give it time to load. In this case, I'm using an Ultra Viewer, a remote control, so that I'm able to control her laptop from wherever she is in the States. And that really makes it easier for you to do the account creation. Of course, you say yes, and here you can go with no. You can also say no. So maybe just to read through it, will you now or in the future require sponsorship under curriculum practical training? Say no. This is where most guys really don't pay attention to, and it's very, very important. Whatever you feel right in here is what will actually match you to the projects. Before you begin any account registration, I do insist that you must have all the requirements. So the first requirement for you to create a successful Handshake account, you need a well-written resume. A well-written resume will really match you to the actual projects that are available in Handshake AI. And I have a video now to create a resume, and you can also get the template on the link in the description or in the comments of this video that I'm going to upload after a short while. So I already have her resume. So I also forgot to say that you as well need to have LinkedIn. Just a reminder, before you decide to create a Handshake account, you need to have two key important things before you proceed. The first thing that you need is a resume, a well-written resume, an ATS-friendly resume that will match you correctly to the projects that are available in Handshake AI. That is the Hedgehog project. We have Evals project, we have Project Seal, and so many other projects, even software engineering. So you really need to have a perfect resume. And the second thing that you also need is a LinkedIn profile. Okay, for you to create a Handshake account, you need a resume and you need also a LinkedIn profile. Remember, your resume should always match with the LinkedIn profile. The information contained in your resume should be the same information that is in your LinkedIn profile. That way you better get matched to the projects. The first thing, for this case, you already prepared a resume. So the client already has a resume and she also has a LinkedIn profile. So watch as we fill in the information. The first thing, of course, is to add a resume. There we go. The next thing is actually to fill in the field that really best describes her background. So in your case, you should always check out which field actually matches your background. We have a drop down of so many of them right here. We are from arts and humanities, education, all the way to physics and even engineering domains. Right below it, we have a role. Under each domain that you select, we also have roles. For her case, we'll go with computer science. She's more into data analysis. And we can go with Python. We'll go with Python. Under subfields, you can go with more than one. Computer programming as well, still under a domain. Machine learning, you can go with that. So we'll go with 3 at the moment. What's your current role? So you also have to get the correct role that's according to your domain and also your resume. I'll go with data scientist. And now we have to add the institution. Go with that. What is your highest level of education? Okay, sorry for the interruption. We proceed. What is your highest level of education? We go with associates. When did you graduate? This one also, you really have to ensure that everything is just really matching with your resume. Always ensure you check on the terms and privacy policy, and then you can click on next. Just to always just ensure that everything is well filled in correctly, and now our application is being submitted, and we have found a match to a new project, and we have been really congratulations, we already have a project that really shows how a good resume and a LinkedIn profile perfectly written really helps you to land an opportunity in Handshake AI. So the next thing, just a reminder that a template for a perfect written resume is in the comment section. You can find the link. You click on it, and you'll be able to find my template that I use to actually match projects to most of these platforms, Handshake AI being one of them. You can get it in a document format, and you can really adjust it with your and now we have been matched to Project Hedgehog. This is very nice. And guys, we also have an opportunity to submit interest in Project IV. We as well have a direct project match, which is Hedgehog. And you can read through the instructions before you proceed. It's always very, very important to read through the instructions. You are hired to Project Hedgehog Evals. You'll work with Evals to help train AI systems to work with these formats more accurately. There will be multiple different task types. The first thing is complete onboarding. Follow the required steps to get started with the project. Number 2, start tasking and earn money. So you earn $17 an hour and earn as soon as your first task is done. Do more tasks, earn more. The more tasks you do, the more you earn. No limits. Top contributors have earned up to $680 a week. So guys, this is a very, very nice opportunity, and we'll just have to begin the onboarding, which is quite easy. The onboarding is very, very easy, guys. Very easy. The next thing we have to do before we begin the onboarding is that you really have to confirm your identity, which takes less than 2 minutes. It really helps the Handshake platform to really verify that it's you. And the next thing is now to set up the payments and the tax form. Thereafter, you'll have the project terms and the project assessment and confidentiality agreement. And guys, after that, we'll be able to start tasking and earn the $17 an hour. Right at the top here, it's good to also go through the instruction that we really have to complete the onboarding. Then you start tasking and earning your money. Handshake AI actually pays on a weekly basis, that is on Thursdays, and which is pretty good. You work your full hours and you get to start earning every Thursday of the week. Do more tasks and earn more. Yeah. So the first thing that you are going to do is to pass the identity verification, of which I'm really giving my client time to verify from our end. As we wait for our identity verification to lapse, we can go through the facts section, the frequently asked questions, and also it gives the introduction to Handshake AI program, what you really need to understand about Handshake AI. I do advise most guys to go through all these, especially if you are a beginner who is getting into Handshake AI for the first time. It's good that you get to understand all this. It takes not more than 30 minutes to go all through the information right here. You'll be able to learn how to task, also how to do the annotation critique, all that is well stipulated here. Going back, I wanted us to check also at the at this section of how to task. This is a very, very important section. I get most people asking me, like, they are beginners and they really don't even understand how tasking is done into remote jobs. This is a very good chance for you to really understand how tasking is done, and we have a very nice video for you. You can always sign up with Gmail, all that. So this is just the directives that they are giving you. Since I'm using Ultra Viewer, we'll be able not to get the voice, but the process, if you have ever worked in Outlier, you should be able also to task in Handshake.